Whiskey Smoker Kit is a premium bar accessory designed to enhance flavor and aroma of spirits worldwide. Featuring a handheld smoker, wood chips, stainless steel nozzle, and airtight sealing, it infuses whiskey, cocktails, or food with rich, smoky notes. Compact, durable, and easy to use, Whiskey Smoker Kit is perfect for home bars, gifting, and entertaining, making it a top global choice for flavor innovation. Heating Coffee Mug is a smart mug designed to keep beverages warm worldwide. Featuring adjustable temperature control, USB power, spill-resistant design, and durable BPA-free materials, it ensures coffee or tea stays hot. Portable, easy to clean, and energy efficient, Heating Coffee Mug is perfect for home, office, or travel, making it a top global choice for hot drinks. Beard Trimmer Set is a precision grooming kit designed for effortless styling worldwide. Featuring adjustable length settings, sharp stainless steel blades, cordless operation, rechargeable battery, and multiple attachments for beard, mustache, and hair trimming, it ensures smooth, even results. Ergonomic, durable, and easy to clean, Beard Trimmer Set is a top global choice for professional quality grooming at home. Back Massager is a versatile wellness device designed for muscle relief and relaxation worldwide. Featuring deep kneading nodes, adjustable intensity, heat therapy, ergonomic design, and portable use, it targets back, shoulders, and neck tension. Lightweight, durable, and easy to operate, Back Massager provides soothing relief at home or office, making it a top global choice for effective stress and pain management. Massage Gun is a high-performance recovery device designed for global use. Featuring deep tissue percussion, multiple speed levels, interchangeable heads, quiet motor, and long-lasting rechargeable battery, it relieves muscle soreness, stiffness, and tension. Ergonomic, portable, and easy to use, Massage Gun is perfect for home, gym, or sports recovery, making it a top global choice for effective muscle relief. Facial Massager is a premium skincare device designed to rejuvenate and tone skin worldwide. Featuring gentle vibration, rolling or microcurrent technology, ergonomic design, and waterproof construction, it boosts blood circulation, reduces puffiness, and enhances absorption of serums. Lightweight, portable, and easy to use, Facial Massager is perfect for daily skincare routines, making it a top global choice for healthy, radiant skin. Ballpoint pen is a high-quality writing instrument designed for smooth, precise, and reliable performance worldwide. Featuring durable metal or plastic construction, quick-drying ink, comfortable grip, and refillable design, it ensures effortless writing for notes, signatures, or professional use. Lightweight, stylish, and long-lasting, ballpoint pen is perfect for school, office, or gifting, making it a top global choice for everyday writing. Tactical Wallet is a rugged, multifunctional accessory designed for durability and convenience worldwide. Featuring high-quality materials, RFID blocking protection, multiple card slots, cash compartments, and compact, slim design, it ensures security and organization. Lightweight, durable, and versatile, Tactical Wallet is perfect for everyday carry, travel, or outdoor use, making it a top global choice for style, safety, and practicality. Grill tools are premium, durable accessories designed for effortless outdoor cooking worldwide. Featuring stainless steel construction, heat-resistant handles, and a complete set including tongs, spatula, fork, and basting brush, they ensure safety and precision. Compact, easy to clean, and portable, grill tools are perfect for home, BBQ, or camping, making them a top global choice for grilling enthusiasts. Hand Casting Kit is a creative, easy-to-use art set designed for capturing lifelike hand or pet impressions worldwide. Featuring high-quality alginate molding powder, durable casting plaster, mixing tools, and step-by-step instructions, it ensures detailed, safe, and lasting results. Lightweight, fun, and suitable for all ages, Hand Casting Kit is perfect for keepsakes, gifts, or crafts, making it a top global choice for memory making and creativity. Sandalwood Candle is a premium aromatic candle designed for relaxation and ambiance worldwide. Made from natural wax and infused with pure sandalwood essential oil, it features a long burn time, subtle fragrance, and elegant container. Clean burning, eco-friendly, and soothing, Sandalwood Candle enhances meditation, home decor, and wellness, making it a top global choice for calming, luxurious aromatherapy experiences. Bluetooth speaker is a portable, high-quality audio device designed for immersive sound worldwide, featuring Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, deep bass, stereo sound, long-lasting rechargeable battery, water-resistant design, and compact build. It delivers music anywhere. Easy to pair, durable, and stylish, Bluetooth speaker is perfect for home, travel, or outdoor use, making it a top global choice for superior audio on the go. Wooden Shelf is a durable and stylish storage solution designed for homes and offices worldwide. Made from high-quality wood, it features sturdy construction, smooth finish, easy wall mounting, and versatile multi-tier design for books, decor, or essentials. Compact, elegant, and functional, Wooden Shelf maximizes space and adds aesthetic appeal, making it a top global choice for organization and interior design. Electric lighter is a modern, safe ignition tool designed for global use, featuring flameless plasma arc, USB rechargeable battery, windproof and spark-proof operation, and durable, sleek design. It lights candles, grills, and more with ease. Compact, lightweight, and eco-friendly electric lighter is reliable, convenient, and a top global choice for safe, everyday ignition needs. Phone stand is a versatile and durable accessory designed for hands-free device use worldwide. Featuring adjustable angles, sturdy construction, non-slip base, and compatibility with smartphones and tablets, it ensures stability and convenience. Lightweight, portable, and stylish, phone stand is ideal for video calls, gaming, streaming, or work, making it a top global choice for comfort and productivity on any desk or surface. Multi-tool knife is a versatile, durable tool designed for everyday carry and outdoor use worldwide. Featuring sharp stainless steel blades, foldable design, multiple functions including screwdriver, bottle opener, scissors, and safety lock, it ensures reliability and convenience. Compact, lightweight, and ergonomic, multi-tool knife is perfect for camping, hiking, or daily tasks, making it a top global choice for practical, all-in-one utility. Smart Ring is a sleek wearable designed for health tracking and smart notifications worldwide. Featuring heart rate monitoring, sleep analysis, step counting, vibration alerts, and app connectivity, it provides real-time wellness insights. Lightweight, durable, and waterproof, Smart Ring combines style and functionality, making it a top global choice for fitness, health, and modern lifestyle management. Activity Tracker is a smart wearable designed for comprehensive health and fitness monitoring worldwide, featuring step counting, heart rate tracking, sleep analysis, calorie tracking, and multi-sport modes. It provides real-time insights. Lightweight, waterproof, and app-connected, Activity Tracker helps users stay active, motivated, and healthy, making it a top global choice for daily fitness and lifestyle management. Hand warmers are compact, portable devices designed to keep hands warm worldwide. Featuring rechargeable batteries, adjustable heat settings, fast heating, and lightweight, ergonomic design, they provide reliable warmth in cold conditions. Durable, safe, and easy to carry, hand warmers are perfect for outdoor activities, travel, and daily use, making them a top global choice for comfort and convenience in any weather. Retro building sets are creative, high-quality construction kits designed for fun and learning worldwide, featuring durable, interlocking pieces, detailed designs, and compatibility with other sets. They encourage imagination, problem-solving, and fine motor skills. Safe, versatile, and suitable for all ages, retro building sets are perfect for home, school, or gifting, making them a top global choice for educational and entertaining play. Water bottle is a durable, eco-friendly hydration solution designed for everyday use worldwide, featuring BPA-free materials, leak-proof lid, wide mouth design, insulation for hot or cold drinks, and lightweight, portable construction. It ensures convenient hydration on the go. Easy to clean and long-lasting, water bottle is perfect for home, gym, travel, or outdoor activities, making it a top global choice for health and convenience. Gaming controller is a high-performance device designed for precise, immersive gameplay worldwide, featuring ergonomic design, responsive buttons, dual analog sticks, vibration feedback, Wireless connectivity and long-lasting rechargeable battery, it delivers comfort and control. Compatible with multiple platforms, durable and easy to use, gaming controller is perfect for casual or professional gamers, making it a top global choice for gaming excellence. Headphone is a premium audio device designed for immersive sound worldwide, featuring high-fidelity stereo sound, noise cancellation, comfortable over-ear design, adjustable headband, built-in microphone, and long-lasting battery. It delivers clear music and calls. Lightweight, durable, and stylish, headphone is perfect for gaming, work, travel, or leisure, making it a top global choice for superior audio performance. Electric guitar is a high-quality musical instrument designed for beginners and professionals worldwide, featuring solid wood body, smooth fretboard, versatile pickups, durable tuning pegs, and ergonomic design. It delivers rich, powerful tones across genres, lightweight, stylish, and easy to play. Electric guitar is perfect for practice, studio, or stage, making it a top global choice for superior sound and performance.